This is the Solarus PVT solar collector. That is a photovoltaic thermal hybrid. It produces both hot water and electrical power. This collector is made by recycled materials, both the basic frame and the glazing and the glazing frame and all the other materials that are made from recycled aluminum. The back frame is made from a newly developed material that is a recycled polymer. And the polymer is reinforced with carbon fibers that is also recycled from old airplanes. The collector is designed to be locally produced in assembly factories that can be set up in the vicinity of the local area where the collector is going to be utilized or erected. So far, 3 projects within this possibility of erecting local factories, assembly factories, has been made. The photovoltaic thermal hybrid solar collector produces a higher efficiency than the typical photovoltaic module. The power output is and efficiency is slightly above 50% in total efficiency. The share of electricity is around 30%, and the rest is thermal hot water or heat for heating that is coming out of a hydraulic system. When the system is producing hot water and electricity, the hot water is actually cooling the PV cells. So the PV cells is subjected often to a lower temperature than they can be operating in a standard solar collector. And the cogen system also creates a lot more energy per square meter of aperture area of the glazing. The PVT collector is also possible to utilize in higher temperature than PV systems normally can withstand. And this is due to a new type of technology in the laminating material. And the laminating material that is used here can withstand up to 260 degrees Celsius continuously. The module is designed to be operating both on domestic hot water and producing solar cooling. So it's actually possible to produce electricity directly that is fed into the grid, and at the same time we can produce cooling that decreases the electricity use in a building or in a larger system. By this we can utilize a total decrease of the electric power use by up to 50%. The cost of this PVT is lower than the typical photovoltaic module, and it's usually below $1 per watt